Dear viewers, welcome to ERi-TV English News broadcast for this hour. I'm Basaba Takhla, and these are the top stories for today. Central Committee of National Union of Eritrean Women conducts its 11th regular meeting. Commendable effort to control desert locust invasion in the northern Red Sea region. Search continues for missing people after Congo boat sinking kills at least 25. And Switzerland tightens gun export rules after its ammunition was found in Ukraine. On your domestic reports, the Central Committee of the National Union of Eritrean Women held its 11th regular meeting on 16 and 17 December, focusing on the union's current situation and future plans. The meeting reviewed the efforts undertaken to date, including achievements, challenges and strategies to strengthen the union's organizational capacity. Discussions covered enhancing political awareness among members, improving women's economic status, increasing participation in development programs, and expanding the influence of the union's media initiatives. Additional emphasis was placed on advancing women's participation in political leadership and education. An extensive discussion was also held regarding the 2025 Plan of Action. Mr. Tesfa Mikael, President of the Union, acknowledged the commendable contributions of the Central Committee members and highlighted key focus areas for 2025. These include strengthening organizational capacity, providing administration and vocational training programs to members, as well as enhancing political awareness among women. The meeting also discussed the reports presented by department heads and regional branches of the Union. Several recommendations were adopted, including doubling efforts to implement the 2025 programs, transferring the experiences of veteran members to younger generations, reviewing member assignments, addressing workplace shortcomings, and conducting public awareness campaigns on women's issues. In other news, the Ministry of Agriculture has reported ongoing efforts to control a desert locust invasion detected in various subzones of the northern Red Sea region. According to the Ministry's Public Relations Office, significant efforts are being made to prevent the locust from damaging crops and grazing lands in the subzones of Massawa, Af'abet, Karura, and Sheb. Mr. Hagos Gebretinsae, head of the Agriculture Office in Af'abet subzone, and Mr. Mohammed Ali Musa, a seed control expert in Sheb subzone, stated that the operation to combat and eradicate the locust is being conducted in collaboration with agricultural experts, members of the defense forces, and local administrations. The ministry highlighted that the region is frequently affected by cross-border desert locust invasions and urged the public to report any sightings of locusts to nearby agricultural offices immediately. Promotional activities aimed at ensuring children's rights and eliminating harmful practices were recently conducted in the subzones of Asab, Areta, Central and Southern Dankalia in the Southern Red Sea region. These efforts are part of a sustained campaign to eradicate harmful practices such as underage marriage and female genital mutilation, which persist due to limited awareness and outdated societal attitudes. Mr. Mohammed Ali, chairman of the Regional Committee to ensure children's rights and eliminate harmful practices, emphasized the importance of raising public awareness. He noted that significant progress has been made as a result of the continued efforts of all stakeholders involved. Reports from the southern region indicated that similar promotional activities have also been conducted in the subzones of Areza, Tsorona, and Maiaini. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. According to officials and residents, an overcrowded boat has capsized on a river in the Central Democratic Republic of the Congo, killing at least 25 people, including children, and leaving dozens missing. The vessel, which was believed to have more than 100 passengers on board, had left on Tuesday from the town of Inongo, northeast of the capital of Kinshasa. It sank a few hundred meters into the journey along the Fimi River. Hours later, a search was underway for the missing. There was overloading at roof level, and as far as the lifeless human bodies are concerned, at least 25 have been recovered so far, said David Kilemba, Inongo's river commissioner. The capsized boat was also loaded with goods, according to Alex Mubumba, a resident of the area. Deadly boat accidents are common in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, where vessels are frequently loaded well beyond their capacity. The country has few tarred roads across its vast forested territory, and river travel is very common. On today's final report, the Swiss government has tightened the regulations on arms exports to prevent the diversion of weapons to conflict zones, following a scandal involving a Polish company that sent over 500,000 rounds of Swiss-made ammunition to Ukraine. In response to the discovery that approximately 645,000 rounds of small-caliber ammunition ended up in Ukraine, violating the country's neutrality laws, the government introduced new rules. This is according to a statement published on the Swiss Parliament's website on Monday. Under the new regulations, buyers will be required to provide written guarantees that the weapons will be used exclusively within their own territory. If re-export is necessary, third-party countries must be explicitly listed in the agreement. This measure aims to strengthen guarantees and reduce the risk of unauthorized diversion. The scandal came to light last November when a report by the U.S.-based news outlet Defense One indicated that hundreds of thousands of armor-piercing rifle cartridges made by Swiss P Defense were delivered to Ukraine via UMO, a Polish company. The State Secretariat for Economic Affairs investigated and found that while Swiss P Defense and UMO had signed an agreement limiting the resale of ammunition to Poland, the Polish company did not honor this commitment. As a result, the State Secretariat for Economic Affairs banned further exports to UMO last month, stating that the risk of diversion to Ukraine is assessed as being too high. You're still watching us on ERi-TV. The viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Central Committee of National Union of Eritrean Women conducts its 11th regular meeting. Commendable effort to control desert locust invasion in the northern Red Sea region. Search continues for missing people after Congo boat sinking kills at least 25. And Switzerland tightens gun export rules after its ammunition was found in Ukraine. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching.